Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
In last week's Technically Speaking, we mentioned that we need to see higher trading volumes and a correction that does not fall below the index's recent resistance level for the market to sustain a possible reversal movement. So far, the PSEi has struggled to increase activity but remains above the identified resistance level. Can we finally see the things we've been watching out for this week? In our view, a rally from current levels may possibly be driven by a positive market catalyst or a reversal of persistent foreign selling.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Ayala Corporation. AC has been trading in a downtrend since October 2024, and its price action in the past 3 months allowed a falling wedge pattern to form. The said pattern is a bullish reversal pattern and is coupled by the formation of a bullish divergence with the RSI. AC is currently trading at 613, but if it breaks out of the identified bullish pattern, we may open a position at 628 as we anticipate that the stock may revisit its previous peak at 740. For risk management, place your stop level at 583 and limit the sizing of your position as the reward-to-risk ratio is below 3-to-1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.